Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a GTO cocktail. So yet another cocktail from Difford's Guide, but was originally made in LA at the Jones's Bar, or the Jones's Pizza Bar I should say, back around 2004. So this is kind of reminiscent of a whiskey sour crossed amaretto sour with the addition of pineapple juice. So it's served tall over ice. It's also somewhat similar to yesterday's recipe if you want to check that out here, but we're using a bourbon today instead of rum like in yesterday's cocktail. Let's start off by measuring 60 ml or 2 ounces of your preferred bourbon whiskey and add that straight into your cocktail shaker. So if you haven't seen Jeffrey Morgenthaler's amaretto sour recipe, I'll link to it up here as well as in the description below. It's one of my most favorite amaretto sour recipes. It's absolutely delicious and it's utilizing some similar ingredients, so it's worth checking out. So 15 ml, half an ounce of your amaretto, followed by 15 ml, half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, followed by 90 ml, 3 ounces of freshly pressed pineapple juice. Add ice to your cocktail shaker, give it a shake for 12 seconds and then strain over fresh ice. Another very simple garnish. We've got pineapple juice in the drink, so a little wedge of pineapple. And there you have the GTO cocktail. So a lot of people do actually refer to a GTO as a gin tonic orange, so don't let that confuse you for this one. Cheers. It does have a lot of pineapple juice in it, so it does taste somewhat diluted, watered down. You don't really get a lot of that amaretto coming through. I don't know, it just doesn't feel quite balanced. It's a little bit too citrusy for my liking. So it just needs a little bit of tweaking. It feels like it's not quite right. You get that lemon juice coming through, and it's not quite balanced with the sweetness. So potentially maybe increase the amaretto just a tiny little bit. And I might like to lower the pineapple juice because it does taste quite diluted. It still has a nice texture to it from the pineapple juice, but just needs a little bit of work. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.